Hi, my gardening friends. Thought I'd take a walk with the chickens back to my garden, show you how my garlic's doing and my peas. So, as you can see, the chickens follow me the whole way. Kind of funny. Unfortunately, we have their fence set up in a way that we have to walk all the way around the chicken yard to get to the garden, because we're always moving them, so they're always on clean land. So they don't make any, big messes. Basically, we always keep them on fresh grass. So here's their chicken coop, and you'll see as I come around, there they are. Keep an eye on things. That's how much room they have at the moment. Solar or electric, portable fencing. That freaking rooster's coming after me again. I got too close to the fence. Great. He's kind of a jerk. He may not be living much longer. Anyhow, here's my garden. Not much has started in here yet. I have a few select weeds I let grow. This is my permaculture no-till gardening. I've done virtually nothing with it since last year. I pulled out some of the plants. That's about it. You can see where there's indentations. That's because I get a random chicken that jumps in there and digs holes. But I let plantain grow in here and dandelion because the roots come out really nice and it's super cool. Anyhow, the reason I thought I would do this little walk around is because I'm growing garlic. So, as a lot of people do, they grow garlic. And this is what my garlic looks like this time of year. You can see it's just starting to come up in nice little rows. Maybe you can't see it too good. It looks like grass. Hold on, let me pull this fence back. So, you can kind of see, it's not very big yet, but my garlic's coming in. And that's how most people plant garlic. It's a pretty normal look for it. So, what I did is in October I planted the cloves. Which means I took the big garlic head and I broke apart each clove, put it in the ground around October, and then in the summer I'll be able to pull it out. And that's how most people plant garlic. What I wanted to show you in this video, which is a little different, is this here. This is the second year. Can you see that? See how it kind of looks like grass? Well, one year I let my garlic go to seed, and I got the big onion seed head, and I got like little tiny black seeds. So I was curious to see if I planted them, if I could get garlic, or if I needed to do it from cloves. So, this is in the second year, and I would say I'll probably get a pretty decent harvest this year, because these are pretty big. Now last year it just kind of looked like grass in my garden. Wasn't really very exciting. Let's see if I can get a better shot on it. You can see for spring, they've been in the ground for 2 years now, and they're doing great. And some are even kind of thick. I'm trying not to fall into the garden here.